It's big, it's very ample, it's airy. It's a room that even though you're on vacation, you will love to spend many hours kind of just lounging around, having fun, enjoying the time that you spend here with family. And you know, from all my experience, I can truly say nobody does it like Sandals and Beaches. The welcome is warm, the offerings are absolutely delightful, and you do feel at home. Now, I've toured the room and I still have to wow myself again, because not many properties offer such a wide expanse of offerings. Now, if my son were here, I know he would have been diving in the Xbox and all of these video gadgets that I am all thumbs about. But there's something here for me. The Robert Mondavi wines make my heart come alive, because you all know I am serious about my wines. I'm serious about my cavas. I'm serious about Brut. And somebody knows me well because I have all of this right here. My only question is, who am I going to share it with? Well, by dinner later, I'm sure I'll make some new friends and we shall have a chance to go chin chin. Now, it's never really complete until you have a little taste of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. And there is never an occasion at a Sandals or a Beaches property where this is not readily available. Of course, being a concierge level client, we have our refrigerators fully stocked with juices and sodas, water. They're replenished daily. No need to be concerned if you run out, because by the time you get back from the beach, from your tours, from just hanging around and having a good time, your stash would have been replenished once more. Now, there's something on this table that caught my attention earlier, and I would implore you, your vacation is never quite complete without island routes. And I am curious to check out the mini tours with those Mini Coopers. That is going to be the next big event for us with Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited.